Hello, this is Cassie at the Premier OpSpot, and you are watching video 2 in my 2-part series on website hacking, how you can create a professional looking website before you're ready to invest in a full-fledged website. So in part 1 of this video, I showed you how to create a Honeybook contact form that looks professional just like a website. So you can see a little bit of an example here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your contact form and bring it over into Bitly to make it look very professional. So first, you're going to open up the contact form that you completed. You're going to come down to this bottom left corner and you'll see the copy link icon. So you'll hit that link copied, and then you're going to head over to Bitly. You're going to hit the Create New button, which will bring you to this screen. You're going to drop your Honeybook contact form link right into here, and then you can create a title. So they will automatically create one for you, but I will probably put something like Premier Honeybook Services. And then what you can do for free is create a custom back half of the Bitly link. So again, I'm going to say Premier Honeybook Services. Now remember that with Bitly, it is case sensitive, case matters. So I always like to capitalize the first letter of each word. But if you're concerned that people might get it wrong, you can always keep everything lowercase. That's probably the safest way to do this. But remember that we're going to be using this link in a few different spots, and people will be able to click on it in different ways. And so this doesn't matter quite as much as some of the things I'm about to show you. Now, if you want to generate a QR code, you can do so. What some people will do is take this QR code and they will drop it onto a business card. So that's a great idea too, especially if you have a digital business card in the beginning. It's free, you don't have to print anything, and you can show it anywhere. Then here is the best part. You're going to toggle on your link in bio. So this is going to create a link in bio page for people to be able to click on whatever you want to direct them to. And again, it is completely free. So let's toggle that on. And then again, you can choose what the label will say. So depending on what you are promoting, you can say something like work with me, or you could say schedule a free call, or you could say learn more, anything that you want to do. And you're going to hit create. On the left, you can see you can click on the link in bio, and here's where you can see all of the different links that you can add. So you can even add a link directly from this page if you want to. Here is the link to your link in bio page, and this is what you're going to put in your social media profiles or anywhere else that you want to promote your quote-unquote website. And over here on the right, you can see that you get to choose which buttons show up on your link in bio website. You can also add in your social profile icons, which is great because people can be redirected back and see your presence online. You can even customize your branding. So you can go to customizations. You can put in a logo if you have one. You can put a page title and a description. This is pretty short, so you want to make sure that you have a good power pitch or value statement here. Here's where you can enter all your social pages, and then you can choose which icon style you want. So again, you can do color, black, or white for the socials. You can also put them down at the bottom of the page if you'd prefer to keep your buttons up at the top. You can choose what page layout you want. So this is kind of nice. Actually, I might actually leave this as opposed to doing this. Looks a little bit cleaner. And then here's where you can choose your custom colors. So if you already have branding in place, you can put your branding right in here and it will change the colors and description. You can change the shape of the button, whether or not it has a shadow. So you have all these different options, limited options for which font you use. But it's sort of nice because if you do have one of these as your font, then everything is going to be matching for you. Now, this is super simple. And again, this Bitly link, you can customize the back half of it. And then you're going to be able to share this link with anybody who wants to work with you or who is a potential client. And then they can click directly on any of the links here. So again, here's the request Honeybook setup. That is my contact form to Honeybook. You can add as many buttons in here as you want. You probably would keep it short in the beginning. Maybe you have one link to a contact form, a link to book a networking call with you, and then perhaps a link for people to view your portfolio. So this is a great way for you to be able to have a link in bio and a professional looking website even before you're ready to pull the trigger on a full-fledged domain and website hosting platform. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. At Premier OpSpot, I am on a mission to make awesome operations accessible and affordable for business owners at every stage of their business. If you'd like help or want to know if we can work together, you can go to my bit link or to my website at www.premieropspot.com.